lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the perfect silhouette wig by Forever Young in the color Ashley Blonde. I'm going to make a separate video about the color so that way I can just make this about the wig itself. It's a heat-friendly synthetic fiber, so it's not as shiny as most of the traditional synthetics from the Forever Young line. I'm going to go ahead and do a little 360 now so you can see what perfect silhouette looks like on all sides. I like this one. It's very pretty and it looks very much like the product photos, which I appreciate. It's not something you find in all the Forever Young photos. Sometimes they're a little too stylized to figure out what the wig actually looks like, which is why I'm making these videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you the cap construction. All of these Forever Young wigs have extremely basic cap construction for the most part, with only a couple of exceptions. So here we've got a little bit of felt up against the front hairline, which by the way, these wigs, almost all the Forever Young wigs, including this one, fit me quite tight. So I'd say they're average, maybe even a little smaller than average. And then the front hairline here is covered in felt. We've got open sides and back, and the top on this one is completely covered with a little bit of lace, which is great. We do have an extended nape. There's no felt on it, and it adjusts with the hook enclosure here in the back. And we also have covered lace here on the ear tabs. Yeah, this one has a really nice fiber to it. I gotta say my favorite heat-friendly fiber is probably from Beltress. They've got a really good heat-friendly fiber. Of the blends, Envy is probably my favorite of the human hair synthetic blends. The Envy hair is a very nice combination there. So this has been the CysterWigs review of the perfect silhouette wig by Forever Young. It's a heat-friendly synthetic, which would look really cute with waves in it. Because the bang is awesome on this one. Ashley Blonde is the name of the color. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs at CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you'll come on by to our corner of the internet and click the little bell so you get the notifications, subscribe, share, things, social, yeah. So until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.